Hey guys, it's Brian here again with another fan video. This is a 52-inch Casablanca Zephyr III ceiling fan from 1982, antique brass and finish with stencil blades. It's 100% original with the exception of the pull chains. Those are not original, but those are Casablanca pull chains, the tassel included. They came off of other Casablanca fans that I have, and that is the original glass for this fan. It's in really beautiful condition. Blades are beautiful. I love this fan. Motor doesn't have a single scratch on it. Has the original canopy. And this fan is unique, being a Zephyr III. It does not have slumber quiet. It's actually a Slumber 3 fan like the Delta 2s and the Delta 1s. This knob here is actually a light dimmer, though it looks like a slumber quiet. So it's a 3-speed pull chain. It's a reversible fan. Pull chain sequences low, medium, high like the Delta 1 and Delta 2s. And I decided to put this up in here in replacement of my Hunter Sojourn that used to hang here because I have some various Casablanca memorabilia on my walls, including the new Casablanca clock that I got a couple of days ago. And I have various other catalogs, and I have the fan book by Casablanca. I've got all kinds of stuff. That calculator is a Casablanca calculator. There's a little tin of mints there that's Casablanca. And being that there's all kinds of Casablanca stuff in this room, I decided that, what the heck? This is the nicest Casablanca fan that I currently own that's fully functional. And I did not want to put a slumber quiet fan in here because of the mishaps that I've had with them going bad, like they always do. And this actually worked out perfectly. So let's go ahead and demonstrate it, starting with low. The blades are a little bit beat up, the blade arms. I know that some of these blades are warped. I do have another set of blades, stencil blades specifically, that I will be replacing these with. And I also have another set of arms from another Casablanca Zephyr that I have. But right now it's just too cold to be going out into the shed and getting parts, and my backyard's like a swamp, so I will get to that eventually. And for those of you who are curious, that rattling noise in the background is not the bearings in this fan. It's actually a timer that I have hooked up to that lamp there. Very beautiful low speed on this fan. Very smooth. Puts out a gentle breeze. So we'll go ahead and switch it to medium. The bearings on this fan are absolutely silent. Putting out a good amount of air on medium. It does not wobble at all, surprisingly, for how messed up the blades are. High. And absolutely no wobble on this fan at all. Putting out a very strong amount of air, as all K55 Casablancas do. Yeah, this is definitely a great air mover. I'm really happy I put this fan in here. The flywheel on this fan is in really good shape. Doesn't need to be replaced at all. The Zephyr line was always my favorite Casablanca fan. I always just liked how simple yet elegant it was. I think my next favorite would be the Victorian. But this fan actually fits perfectly in here. The blades match the floor, being wood. They're the same shade. And it doesn't hang too low either. Like I said, I'll eventually get around to replacing the blade arms and trying to straighten out the blades as much as I can with some heavy books. Take them off the arms and just kind of set them on the floor, put some heavy books on top of them. I've had pretty good success with that, with warped blades. But if worse comes to worse, I do have a spare set of stencil blades. And I have the blade arms from my 1983 Zephyr, if I need to use them. It's got a great spin down time on this fan. So yeah, that's my Casablanca Zephyr III from 1982. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.